Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what many consider the best car toddler bed for boys. The Delta Children Disney Pixar Cars Wood Toddler Bed. This bed is designed to bring the excitement of Lightning McQueen right into your child's bedroom, offering a fun and functional sleeping solution that helps transition toddlers from crib to big kid bed with ease. The first thing you'll notice about this toddler bed is its authentic Lightning McQueen design. The graphics are beautifully painted onto the wood, ensuring they won't peel or fade over time, which makes it a durable choice for active little ones. The bed frame itself is constructed from sturdy wood, providing a solid foundation that meets all JPMA safety standards, so you can feel confident in its quality and safety. When it comes to size, this toddler bed measures 53.25 inches long, 28.75 inches wide, and 19 inches high. It's built to comfortably fit a standard crib mattress, which is convenient if you're making the switch from a crib without having to purchase a new mattress immediately. The bed sits low to the ground, about 19 inches from the floor to the top of the frame, which makes it safe and accessible for toddlers learning to get in and out of bed on their own. High sides run along the length of the bed, acting as guardrails to keep your child safely inside while they sleep, even if they tend to move around a lot during the night. Assembly is straightforward with the Delta Children Cars Toddler Bed. You won't need any power tools, just a flat head and a Phillips screwdriver. The assembly process is manageable even for one person and typically doesn't take very long. The overall weight of the bed is about 40 pounds, making it lightweight enough to move if needed but heavy enough to stay stable and secure. The finish is a metallic blue, matching Lightning McQueen's vibrant racing colors and adding a playful touch to any toddler bedroom decor. Maintenance is simple. A quick wipe down with a damp cloth is enough to keep it looking clean and fresh. The bed also pairs nicely with other Disney Pixar Cars themed furniture and accessories if you're looking to create a complete racing themed room for your child. It's important to note that this bed has been designed not just for looks but with functionality and safety in mind. It meets or exceeds safety standards required for toddler beds, giving parents peace of mind. The materials used and the build quality ensure it will hold up through the active years of toddlerhood. In summary, the Delta Children Disney Pixar Cars Wood Toddler Bed combines a fun and iconic design with solid construction, safety features, and ease of assembly. It's a perfect choice for parents wanting to give their little ones a special place to sleep that they'll love and feel comfortable in. Whether your toddler is a big fan of Lightning McQueen or just needs a reliable transition bed, this option ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.